Continue the nice weather streak for this weekend again today. It's a warm one out there, but heads up, we still have that elevated risk for rip currents if you're heading to any of our beaches. Tomorrow, the wet weather returns, and then behind that, you are really going to like where our 7-day forecast is headed. We look at our weather setup. So radar and satellite shows area of low pressure off the Carolina coast. All this moisture associated with it. This one is going to continue to move north, eventually bring us some rain for tomorrow morning across the Cape and the islands. But we also have this cold front that's off to our north and west, draped across New York State. It's a slow mover that moves across southern New England tomorrow and triggers the threat for a shower or storm later on in the day. But out there today, it's nice. We'll just see increasing cloud cover mixed with some of that sunshine. It's still going to stay dry. It's through the overnight that we start to bring in that rain chance, mainly across the Cape and the islands. Now at times early tomorrow morning, the rain is going to come down heavy. You can see that indicated by some of the brighter colors, but this is pretty progressive. So once we get through the morning, by about 9 o'clock, this is out of here off to our north. We'll still have some cloud cover around. We get into some sunshine by the afternoon, and then as that front gets closer, there's that threat for a shower or storm through the afternoon and into the evening. I think it's going to be more isolated in nature as we go through the second half of the day. Expected rainfall amounts really concentrated across the Cape and the islands. I think amounts anywhere from about 1 to 2 inches are possible, and if you get under some of that heavier moisture and the heavier rain, you could get some localized higher amounts. Temperatures out there feel pretty good, right? 75 in Boston, low 70s across Metro West. Dew points are creeping up, so we're getting up back to that muggy feel for most of us, and that is going to be with us for today. That's coming in on a southwest breeze that has picked up the pace. Gusts will continue to pick up into this afternoon. I think gusts anywhere from about 20 to 30 miles per hour this afternoon. High temperatures, warm, upper 70s, low 80s throughout Metro West, near 80 in Boston, and temperatures in the upper 70s across the Cape. There's your moderate rip current risk on all of our beaches. There will be some chop to the water as well. Overnight, we're falling into the low to mid 60s. The rain moves in across the Cape, and we will have some areas of fog developing elsewhere. Tomorrow, warm again, upper 70s, low 80s, and you are really going to feel the humidity. So as Aaron's impacts continue to taper off in our waters, we turn our attention to tropical storm Fernan that formed yesterday just southeast of Bermuda. Here you can see Bermuda right here. This core is expected to stay away from the island as it veers off to the north to northeast. Currently, maximum sustained winds about 40 miles per hour. There you see it just stays over open water. So it's a fish storm over the next 7 days, and the next 7 days for us shows that behind that cold front, we have a humidity drop. It is going to feel very comfortable this week. Morning starting off in the 50s, high temperatures making it into the mid to upper 70s this week.